Hello. Hello, guys. Today, well, I have allergies, so I can't really speak. I should probably take off my microphone. Oh no, now it caps lock. Return of the Pancakes. La. La 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 la. Eek. Oh, okay, I'm not used to this microphone. My head's getting bigger. Oh no, this is way too big. Says I can stretch this out. Did you say my name wrong? Sorry about that. Ah, okay. Let's go. Where's the cork? Na na na. I'll be recording prizes and such. At least a chance. Let me start said it right. Oh, here it is. Okay. I said her name wrong. Sorry about that. Hmm? Do I? Did I say her name wrong? And I got suspended somehow. I don't know what happened. Oh, Ellie0. Good friends. Ooh. I want to get the key. I want to get the key, please. Na, 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 na. Okay, I don't know what to say. Ah, Ellie0, your little fox thing is blocking the X. Come on. How am I supposed to X that out? So tempting to exit out. How am I supposed to X that out? Where's the last plant anyway? Maybe if I go down here. Oh, finally. Or if we don't, I want it. I want the key. I want it. I race people to get the key. I like it so much. Oh yeah, and otters are here. Woohoo! Hi, George. Just gray as a phantom. I call the phantoms fat dudes. Why do I only have 15 minutes to record? Probably because this is the free version. I've seen a phantom spin around in circles all day long. You have? Ooh. Gems. I don't need gems. At all. Bye-bye. I'm coming. Just the phantoms. Alright, let me get this key. Did she take my key? I hope the gifts are really good. Oh, I just have to choose the right chest. I didn't open it yet. Phew, that was so hard. Our Frankenstein mask, you're lucky. Okay. I free Daisy first. Na 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 na. Uh-oh. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, phew. Oh my goodness. I free Daisy first. Oh, another key. Then Oliver. Okay, my ears are getting really annoyed. I haven't recorded in a long time. Oh, let's get rid of these guys. I need to level up so I have 4 lives. And when I level up, I won't have 1 heart left. Congrats, you found a key. A wonderful, marvelous key. I don't think I even can spell marvelous correct. I'm just gonna say wonderful key. Anyway. It doesn't really matter. Alright, I'm gonna go do the key thing. I mean the Arctic Wolf Cave. Hopefully I get something good. I'm gonna choose... I don't know. I'm so scared I'm gonna get something bad. I don't know. I'm holding this microphone awkwardly. My eye is so watery. Alright, what did I get? Rainbow now! Okay, hold on. Let me put this on correctly. There we go. Arctic Wolf. No, I'm not scared I'm gonna get something bad. Na 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 na. It does give rares. Of course it gives rares. I've gotten so many rares. I'm recording even. And I have like... seen people with like 8,000 subs. Gnarly. Who has the key? Who has the last key? Black. Here, I got black Robo. Alright, I don't want that on my back. I want that purple worn. I need to make it small, bring it back up when it freezes, because it works like magic, is what my friends say. Because I just tell them, bring it small and make it back up, because it starts loading. Then they finally do what I say, and it finally stops loading. Then they say, well, that looks like magic, or at least one friend has done that, because I've had her over many times, and she actually loves Animal Jam. Like 100 rocks, I have to say. That's who she is. Okay, this microphone is very annoying on my ears. I want those gems. I want those gems. Ooh, what did LD0 get? What did she get? What did she get? What did she get? Ah! Hee hee. Ooh, wait, let me get. Oh, LD0, I sent you like a mech and everything. You are already much rarer than me. But she doesn't have a collar. She has like 7 short wristbands. Okay, I'm just gonna find this key. Yeah. Oh, dang it, I have 5 minutes left. Hold on, I will pause my recording. Oh, I spelled that wrong.